Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to Wiskey's Adventures. So this video is going to be a little bit different on this episode. So initial plans is today is September 30th, 2022. The initial plans was myself, my daughters, my whole family. We were supposed to be in Uwharrie National Forest, and we were going to do a birthday celebration out there for my 43rd birthday. Today is my birthday. But Hurricane Ian has struck, and tropical storm Ian, I think, is what's been downgraded to. Once they got past Charleston or whatever, I'm not quite sure, but either way, the area I live up in, Charlotte and all that, it's direct. We're expecting a direct hit. Weather's getting nasty. We've had high winds, heavy rains all day. So the wife basically said, "Hey, sorry, but we're gonna have to stay home because we don't know what kind of damage this is going to bring." None of us wants to be hanging out of hammocks or in a tent in the middle of the woods with high winds in case trees fall. So myself and Mama Burr is pulled a safety card and decided we're just going to stay home. But initially for the birthday celebrations at the forest, we were going to do fried potatoes and steaks on the fire. Well, we done bought all the food for it, so we're still going to do that here. We're just going to do the cook here at the house, and instead of doing it out in the woods, and we're going to bring you all for the ride, because it's still a birthday celebration. So the video might be shorter than normal, the normal camping trip. It's definitely no tents involved. Let me show you here real quick on the radar, pop it up on the screen so you can see what it's doing around here. Pretty crazy, right? So the first image I showed you is off a weather app that I use called WeatherBug. You can see the storm right Charlotte where the pin is. That was the first one you seen. That's the area I live in. You can see it's right in direct path of the, which time it hits us will be a tropical storm. The second image is the live stuff off the TV screen, where you can see where it comes in through Charleston area and comes right up and it's going to hit Charlotte or whatever. But again, it won't be a hurricane. When time it hits us, it'll be a tropical storm. I'd have to look again. It may have already been downgraded to a tropical storm at this point, time of the filming of this video. I'm not 100% sure. It's been a little while since I looked at the radar and looked at all that stuff. But nasty weather. So we're just going to stay home and do everything here. So I'm going to give you a couple images outside that I've captured throughout the day so far of the winds or whatever, and then we'll bring you right back for the cook. More added?
Yeah, you can have one.
How much?
A little bit more, that's it. That's good.
The lights are flickering.
Yes, dude.
Yes, yes.
Won't be as good as an open fire steak, but it'll, because the weather is going to have to work, Mama.
Yep. Everything will be alright.
I sure got some fat ones for this.
I did. I looked for the best ones I could find, to be honest. Chloe, come here.
I changed my avatar for Halloween.
Cool.
And I know what my second option is going to be for Halloween too.
Did you open this? Is this for the one?
Yes.
Okay.
Hocus Pocus. You look pretty.
for you?
Yeah, but you're using it.
Move that.
Give me some potatoes.
Because that's how you like it. You like it like I like mine.
Put it in a center. Because I need to put my litter on.
So we got steak, potatoes, and salad for dinner. We're gonna sit here. I'm gonna shut the camera off and let the family eat in peace. Appreciate you all joining for the birthday feast. I know it's a different episode than normal. We normally do stuff in the woods. But with Hurricane Ivan right on our Ian on our doorstep. For safety reasons, we're not sleeping in the woods tonight. We're gonna stay at home with the family. All it goes, we all know where everybody's safe. Appreciate you all watching. Next video, I'll be back in the woods. College boy, peace. Hey everybody. So we got dinner all good, done, and all in our bellies. It was an awesome steak, so I appreciate that, Mama Bear.
You're welcome, birthday boy.
Thank you very much. Appreciate everybody watching. We know this is a different type of video. We're normally in the woods and all that, but with Hurricane
Ian
going on out there, or tropical storm, if it's been, because I haven't watched it.
It's a tropical storm in now.
Yeah, all right. So for safety reasons, we stayed home for this one. Mama Bear wasn't really comfortable with the whole family going out, staying in the woods with all the winds we're having, let alone me going out by myself. So I made her promise we'd stay home. We just did dinner here. And like I said earlier in the video, I believe I said it earlier, if the weather clears up by tomorrow like it should be, then myself, Al Hunter, and Arissa Rue is going to go out and do a one-nighter out in the woods. So, but we still wanted to bring a video to y'all because we had full intentions going into Urari Forest to celebrate the birthday. We couldn't do it because of the storm, so we did it here at the house. Again, we do apologize for being a different video than what we normally do, but we had to do something, so here you go. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate all the birthday wishes everybody sent me on all these social media accounts. Greatly appreciate that. Anybody that ain't following us on the social media accounts, all the descriptions or all the links are down in the descriptions down below. Check them out. Feel free to leave a comment if you want for belated birthday wishes. To me, I'll still count as the day of because of the day of the filming of the video. So everybody that has wished the birthday, greatly appreciate that. Everybody's going to wish the birthday. Thank you very much. Yes. Oh, yeah. Thank you for reminding me. So, okay. And I think a video or 2 videos ago, I called out was it charity thing that my oldest
childhood cancer.
Yeah, childhood cancer. My oldest son was doing. He was doing a thing for it, and I put it out in the videos. Well, he reached out to me today, and I asked him how it was going. To which he reached out to give me birthday wishes, and then I asked him. I said, is anybody from Wiskey's Adventures donating money? And he actually said Mark K, which happens to be one of our Patreon supporters, donated to that charity as well. So Mark, brother, thank you, man. You with today's economy, every month you donate to the Wiskey's Adventures crew, and then you even went above and beyond that and donated to my son's charity thing he was putting on. So, brother, we greatly appreciate the continued support you show my family, the Wiskey's Adventures crew, and everything that our group does. You just hands down show the support to it. So we greatly appreciate that. Another person that donated to the channel, which we actually used his money to buy our steaks tonight, is, go ahead and call his name out, honey.
John Sobey.
John, appreciate that, brother. He sent some cash our way through Facebook Messenger, donated some money. So we used that money tonight to pay for the steaks for everybody, so we didn't have to pay that out of our own pockets. So John, brother, you and your family, just like Mark K, go above and beyond to support our family and the Wiskey's Adventures crew. So much love and respect to you and your boys, your sons, right? His sons. Upstate
Grow Bros.
Check them out on Instagram, everybody. Check them out. Follow them on Instagram. It's a different kind of content. What we do, they're into the legal marijuana industry. So check those guys out. They're Upstate Grow Bros has sponsored a video. John sponsored a video. Plus John paid for all of our meal tonight. And then Mark K, again, you supported my son and his adventure he was doing there.
Appreciate that. For
Yeah.
childhood cancer, that
says
means
a
a
lot.
lot. Yeah.
And then you support our group every month. Our other Patreon supporters, I don't want to leave you all out because you guys with today's economy support us every month as well. So Matthew B and Stephen R, we appreciate both of you as well. We're almost at 400 subscriber amount. I think we're 8 away from hitting 400.
8 or 9, yeah.
8 away. I haven't checked here in the last couple hours, but last I think we're either 8 or 9 away from hitting 400. Just a reminder, everybody out there, when we hit the 500 subscriber giveaway, we're going to do a little giveaway. We'll announce what we're going to give away, how we're going to do all that, and the rules and all that to even be eligible to get a gift from us when time gets closer. But with that being said, share the channel with everybody. Help the family grow. Everybody that has subscribed, we greatly appreciate you, as always. You got anything you want to say before we cut it loose for the night?
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Mama Bear.
I love you.
All right, everybody. Me and Mama Bear's gonna sit here. I've got my. We're back in our room again while the kids clean up dinner mess. I want to sit here and drink my bottle of wine. Mama Bear's gonna sit here with me. We're gonna sit here and watch some TV and just enjoy. We got the windows open in the bedroom so we can hear the storm out there. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy each other's company. And until next time, y'all, we'll see you guys on the next episode. We will be back in the woods. I promise you, won't be another episode filmed here at the house. Right?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Well, appreciate everybody's support. Until next time, you already know how we do it. Holler at your boy.
Peace.
Later. Good day. Good day.